So I stumbled upon this. There's a whole another world here when it comes to chatbots and large language models. I just stumbled across this leaderboard that is a community-driven evaluation for best LLMs and AI chatbots. And this was something that I didn't quite know existed, so there goes to show that there's so much information out there right now that you can barely keep up with. But there is a chatbot arena that's out there where you can see how these LLMs are being stacked against each other. And so this is Chatbot Arena. It's an open platform for crowdsourced AI benchmarking, and it's developed by researchers at UC Berkeley, Skylab, and LM Arena. And there's over 1 million user votes. So 1 million people voted or are voting on which LLM or the platform that best ranks LLMs and AI chatbots. And they're using something called a Bradley-Terry model. I'm not quite sure what that is, but we can get into that in another video to generate this live leaderboards. And so there's a technical details that are in this paper, so we'll check out the paper as well. But check this out. So you can see the ranking here. And right now, it looks like Google just published some new updates with Gemini, which has overtaken DeepSeek R1. So you got, coming in at number one, you got Gemini tied for the number one spot, Gemini 2.0, Flash Thinking EXP 0121, and then Gemini 2.0 Pro EXP 0205, and then you have ChatGPT 4.0 latest, and then DeepSeek coming in right here. And so there's a war that's going on right now, and it's pretty interesting and fascinating to see that there's a whole nother world going on. If you're not in that world of AI and you're just doing your own thing, you are just going to work and logging into a computer and doing your day-to-day tasks, then maybe we're all going to get left behind if we're not following this stuff. But I wanted to go back and look at this paper here. The technical details of this actual chatbot arena lives on Cornell University's server, looks like. So there's a chatbot arena, open platform for evaluating LLMs by human preference. So large language models have unlocked new capabilities and applications. However, evaluating the alignment with human preferences still poses significant challenges. And so to address this issue, they introduced the Chatbot Arena, kind of like the arena in Roman times, right? Where everyone can virtually duke it out. And it's an open platform for evaluating LLMs based on human preferences. All of these LLM developers and companies are all jockeying for data center space, energy, resources in order to one-up each other around efficiency, cost, and just who's going to be that number one platform.